Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a REALME C30. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil in the top right corner, scroll down, find this button in this block, then press and hold and drag to top like this. So add this button, for example, and click back for save. Now we add screen recorder button, so tap it, and before start recording we got record audio option. So we can activate or disable record audio, and if we wanna customize, need to tap it and choose, for example, device audio or device audio and microphone or only microphone. If you wanna mute record audio option, need to turn off this option. And for example, if you wanna record device audio only, need to choose this option and activate this and tap start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.